Hi, this is Sean from Hertels Coins, and today we finally got our CAC submission back. Um, so hopefully we got some good stuff out of it. Stay tuned. Today we got our CAC submission back. This is probably the only grading company that actually grades stuff in a decent time. I got these back within 2 weeks, even though they shut down for the month of June any regular submissions, but they still got our submission back. So we just made that deadline right before June, but we still got our stuff back in a couple weeks. So hats off to you guys at CAC. So hopefully we get some good grades on this, and we'll see what we got. A little bit larger submission. Got a bunch of coins here. So we'll just start one by one. All right. First up, this is the 1880 $1 gold piece. This is one we got graded at Central States Coin Show at Pcgs there that was doing grading there. Very beautiful coin. Nice original color. Beautiful luster. Nice little cartwheel luster. Unfortunately, this one did not CAC, but it's still a very, very nice coin for a $1 US gold piece. Next, we have a 1954 D Franklin silver $1/2. This is originally graded by NGC as an MS65 full bell lines. And this one did get a CAC sticker. Very, very nice. Next we have a 1935S Walking Liberty $1/2. Very beautiful coin. I love the little toning on it, little streak brown toning on it. Nice original coin. And this one did not get a CAC sticker, but it's still a very beautiful MS64 1930s with a mint mark of an S. So very nice coin. Next we have a little half dime with some beautiful toning on it. Nice little purple blue toning on it. It's hard to pick up on the camera, but it's a very, very nice coin, as you can see. Nice original little luster on it. Little early old mint half dime. Unfortunately, it did not get a CAC, but it's still a very beautiful coin, in my opinion. Next we have something that's hard to get in full bell lines. This is a 1960D Franklin silver $1/2. This is very hard to get in full bell line. The 1960s are, but unfortunately did not CAC. But still a nice original coin. Next up, something I bought on eBay a while back. This is a 1926 Buffalo nickel. Nice original color, beautiful flash on it. I mean, this would be anybody collecting, needs a 1926 Buffalo nickel will be very happy with this coin. It's originally graded MS67, but unfortunately it did not CAC, but it is an absolutely gorgeous coin, I think, in my opinion. Next we have 1880S with gorgeous, gorgeous color on it. I mean, this thing is absolutely stunning. For a tone Morgan dollar, this is really beautiful. Front's like, the reverse is okay on this coin, but the front is absolutely gorgeous. And this one did receive a CAC sticker, so very, very nice. Very beautiful coin. Anybody wants, something like that, they're going to be very happy just the color-wise on it. Very beautiful coin. This next up, a nice little tone Morgan dollar again. This is a 19040 Morgan dollar. White reverse, beautiful toning in the obverse, but unfortunately it did not CAC, but still a nice little MS65 tone Morgan dollar. Next we have 1885 CC Morgan dollar, nice little white coin for a little bit the harder find Carson City. Unfortunately, it did not CAC, but it's still a nice original MS65 Morgan dollar. Next we have 1926 piece dollar. Nice little white coin. graded by PCGS as an MS65. Unfortunately, it did not get a CAC, but still a nice white coin with beautiful cartwheel luster on it. And our next piece dollar, common date but very high grade. This is a 1922 that was originally graded by PCGS as an MS66. But strike out again, unfortunately. No CAC sticker, but still a beautiful coin. Next we have nice little $10 gold piece. This is a 1926, an MS63. Beautiful luster on this coin. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. For a $10 Indian, this is really a great example of it. Originally graded MS63 by PCGS. And this one did receive a CAC sticker, so very nice. Very happy with this one. Next we have another little harder to find Carson City. This is an 1890 CC Morgan silver dollar. Originally graded by PCGS as MS64. Very beautiful original color to it. Unfortunately, it did not CAC, but still a very nice coin. Next up, 1902, Morgan silver dollar. Again, nice little toning on it. Dark purple in the back. Unfortunately, it did not CAC. Still a nice coin. Not a whole lot of CAC stickers this run, but overall they're all nice coins, so I'm very nice, happy to have them. Just unfortunately, a lot of them didn't CAC, but some did. Next up, 1879S. Little splotchy toning on the back with some purple, some oranges, some browns, some blues. Still pretty cool toned reverse on this one. Originally graded by PCGS as MS65, and this one did CAC. So very nice. Pretty cool toned in the back. Next we have 1880S Morgan dollar, and originally MS66. Very beautiful coin. Nice and white. Unfortunately, it didn't CAC, and I thought this one would CAC. I mean, there's really no marks now on the face of this Morgan. I mean, it's actually beautiful. But unfortunately, it did not receive a CAC sticker, but still a very nice coin. Next, we have a key date Morgan dollar. This is an 1895 old Morgan silver dollar, originally graded by NGC as an AU53. So a very nice key date Morgan silver dollar. Fortunately, they did not CAC this one, but it's still very, very nice. Hard to find in this grade. Any collector's going to be happy with this one. Very nice. Next we have another little tone common date Morgan dollar. This is an 1880S. Very beautiful toning. Purples, blues, oranges, all the colors that you really would like. Obverse, a little bit of white, a little bit of toning, but it's the luster of the front with the toning is absolutely beautiful. And this one did CAC, so very nice coin. I really like that one. We got a few more to go. Next up is an 1887 Morgan dollar. Originally graded by PCGS MS65. Beautiful toning on it. I like that little edge toning. Reverse is white. Unfortunately, did not receive a CAC sticker, but I mean, it's really pretty coin. Love the little edge toning on this one. Next up, we have an early Mercury silver dime. This is a 1940 proof and the older style green holder by PCGS. And this one did CAC. And I've noticed on these old green holders, especially for the proof dimes and stuff like that, majority of mine have CAC'd in the older style green holders that are approved. So anytime you get a proof, Mercury dime or something like that, and these old green holders, good chances it probably will CAC, because I think I've pretty much had all of mine CAC every time I sent them in. So they undergraded them at the time, I think. And lastly, the monster of all of them. We bought this originally in a holder as MS63. This is a 1911 D $2.50 gold Indian, which is the key date of the $2.50 gold Indians. I mean, this coin is absolutely beautiful. You get better up close camera view, and it's got the strong D, as you can see right there, the D mint mark. And this coin's absolutely beautiful, blazing orange luster for the gold. And this one, as the monster it is, it did CAC. So there's a huge upgrade for this coin getting a CAC holder. I'm very excited about this. This will be on our website. And always, you know, a lot of our coins, we update them all the time with new created coins on our website. The website's hertelscoins.com, so don't forget to check it out. But this coin I'm very happy with. This is the kaboom of the whole thing, worthwhile getting a CAC sticker on it. So very excited about that one. Thank you guys for joining us in this video. I hope you guys liked it. Always like and subscribe. I'll see you in more future videos. We're constantly getting great stuff in. Always check our website out. And I hope to see you guys on our next video. So hope to see you guys again. Thank you.